Hi everyone, let's do the 12-1 work together, which is on page 350 of your textbook if you want to look at it there. There's a time card and an earnings schedule that we're going to do. It says that on October 15th, the time card for Alice Webster and the time card data for other employees is provided. Calculate regular overtime and total hours worked by Miss Webster. Any hours over 8 per day or 40 per week are overtime. Each work week begins on Monday. It says all the hours are on this time card and round hours to the nearest quarter of an hour. So 8, 8:15, 9, 9:15. So I'm just going to by day kind of go through. This is working 8 to noon, 1 to 5 if we're rounding. That's 8 total hours. 8 to noon, 1 to 5, 8 total hours. 1 to noon, 1 to 5, 8 total hours. 8 to noon, 1 to 5, that's 8 hours. And then in the evening they worked 6 to 9:30, so that's 3.5 hours. Then on Friday the 5th, they worked from 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. So that's still 8 hours. Until they work over that 8-hour threshold, doesn't even matter at what point in the day. It's just regular hours. So then on Monday the 8th, we have 8 regular hours because it's 8 to noon and 1 to 5. Then on Tuesday it's 8 to noon and 1 to 5. So 8 hours again. No, that's 1 to 6, so that's 9 hours. So 8 regular and 1 overtime. Okay, so 8 to noon, 1 to 5 is your 8 hours, and then 5 to 6 is the 1 hour of overtime. Then on Wednesday the 10th, we have 8 to noon and 1 to 5. Then on the 11th, we have 8 to noon and 1 to 5. And then on Friday the 12th, 8 to 1 and 2 to 5, which is still 8 hours. And then on Saturday, they worked from 10 to 1. And it's a Saturday, so that's overtime because they've worked 40 hours in a week already. And then on Monday the 15th, we're working from 8 to noon and 1 to 5, so that's 8 hours again. So that's doing the daily calculation. Then I need to add all the regular hours. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 days at 8 hours, which is 88. And then 3.5 plus 1 is 4. Plus 3, so 4.5, 7.5, if I add correctly in my head. So hopefully everyone's got that. Then we'll go the next step, which is the earnings schedule. So on the earnings schedule, here's Alice's time card in case you didn't have that. And it says the time card data for Alice Webster and other employees is provided. Enter the regular and overtime hours for Miss Webster. In the earnings schedule for each employee, calculate the amount of regular overtime and total. Overtime hours are paid at 1.5 times the regular rate, round dollars to the nearest cent, and we know that money has 2 decimal places. So first thing I would do is I would just do all the regular earnings. So $80 times the regular rate of $9 and you get $720. $80 times $12.50, you get $1,000. 70 times 9.75 and you get 682.5. And then I would add all those up, so 7,000 plus 1,000 plus 682. Oh, sorry, it's not a total. They're just doing the card for Alice. So on Alice's, we had 88 regular hours, and we had 7.5 overtime hours. So her regular earnings, 88 times $11, is $968. So that's all your regular. That's the easy part for sure. So now make sure you follow me on overtime, and don't forget this time and a half that it talked about up here, right? So time and a half. So I'm going to take the regular rate of $9 times 1.5 times the number of overtime hours, which is 5, and I would get 67.50. Do the same for employee 2, $12.50 times 1.5 times 3 hours, and I would get 56.25. The next person has no overtime, so 0. And then our last person, Alice, take $11 an hour times 1.5 times 7.5, and I would get $123.75. And then all I'm going to do is take regular plus overtime equals total earnings. And again, that number is going to be quite crucial when we get to the next sections on taxes and other withholdings and deductions. So the first employee is $787.5, the second employee $1056.25, the third employee is $682.50. I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 there and see what happens. And then the last one, if I add 968 and 123.75, I would get 1091.75. And that is all that's to it. So if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I will do the 12-1 lecture next for you.